Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Molly, Shensia and the Skillibang's Shake It to the Max Ice Gold certification. According to chart data, the Billboard charting viral track has qualified for gold certification in the US, having now sold over 500,000 units. Subject to official ratification by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, the certification will be both Molly and Skillibang's first in the US. Shensia previously achieved the feat with her feature on Kanye West's Pure Souls, which went gold in 2023. Nadine Sutherland scores big with movie debut. The reggae singer made her film debut in the film Someone Loves You and is in bliss after the film won Best Short Film at the Essence Film Festival in Miami over the weekend. Sutherland, who pulled away from her extensive schedule, recalled to E-Prime the moment she got the news.
I wasn't there when they picked up the award. I was with my family. I know when my family and I heard, I put on one piece of hollering. I just started to cry, but start ball. And somebody goes, somebody! I said, no, we win. And I think my mother started ball, my uncle started ball, everybody was started to scream because we understood then how profound it was.
Sutherland, who plays the role of Marlene, a character who suffers from mental illness, says she was fully supported by the cast as she stepped into her new realm.
I had moments, fleeting moments, but I was supported on that set. Everybody supported me. They knew I had no prior acting experience. But for big up Mitzi Pratt, a Jamaican girl who basically was the one who held me after I became too much into character. She was the one who held me, and through it all, she was like, you're doing a great job, you're doing a great job.
The singer also revealed that she is looking forward to more acting gigs.
I would love to do more of acting, and all me know is I don't want to pay nobody with paranoia, schizophrenia again. It's too hard, man.
The film follows the estranged members of a Jamaican family in New York City as they cope with the slowly declining health of their once famous beloved matriarch. UK actor Terence Wallen set to channel Gregory Isaacs at Reggae Sumfest. This year's Reggae Sumfest is set to pay homage to some of the culture's biggest names on night 2 of the festival. Making his Sumfest debut is UK actor Terence Wallen, who will fulfill a lifelong dream of honoring his hero Isaacs as he comes full circle, following his role as Isaacs in UK-based play The Cool Ruler, the musical, early in June. The evening will also feature tributes from Taurus Riley, celebrating his father Jimmy Riley, along with Coca T and Chester Miller, who will pay homage to the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown. E-Prime spoke with executive producer of Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, on the added segment.
When you think about Gregory Isaacs and how Terence Walden is the one that's going to be playing this fellow, going to rechannel his energy in there, and it's absolutely amazing. Chester Miller will be doing Dennis Brown, and then of course Taurus Riley will be doing a tribute to his dad, and then he's going to be doing Coca T. And Coca T has just recently passed away, and paying a big tribute to these giants that have been so important for reggae music internationally and for here in Jamaica.
The powerful tribute segment is titled Tribute to the Legend. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.